In this quick video tutorial, I will explain you how to transfer Starlink ownership. So to transfer the ownership, first of all, you need to directly contact the support. You need to log into your Starlink account, go to support, and you need to open the ticket and request account ownership transfer. And keep in mind that Starlink doesn't allow ownership transfer without current owner. So you need to be an owner. Then Starlink will send you the current owner a secure transfer form. The current owner must fill in the buyer's email address, and after submitting, Starlink processes the request usually 1 to 3 days. After this period of time, buyer receives an email invitation. So buyer will receive an email from Starlink, and buyer needs to create a Starlink account if he already doesn't have it. After that, buyer should follow the link and accept the ownership of the hardware. Then you need to prepare the hardware. Seller must factory reset the dish. Here is the instruction. You need to go to Starlink app, go to settings, and there will be factory reset option. Then you need to remove the hardware from your account so it will be fully unlinked, and you need to make sure that there is no unpaid bill. Starlink will not allow transfer if there is balance due. After that, buyer should activate the dish. So he needs to log into Starlink account, then he adds the payment method in the Starlink app. Then buyer should go to the Starlink app and needs to scan or enter the dish serial number if needed, and then the service will be activated. After that, you can test the connection, plug in the router and dish, wait for it to connect to satellites, run a speed test. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.